24 hours. Dalawang Nestle cream at saka cream sada at saka carnation. So guys, may 1 kilo tayong mangga. I-sell lang natin to guys ng overnight. Yan pala guys yung aking nagawa. Ito pala guys yung isa. So pinaglagyan din ng ice cream. Ito yung guys, i-check na natin yung ating ice cream. May tumigas naman siya guys. Nasa 24 hours. Sundan na lang nyo guys. Napanood nyo guys. Gas. Ayan